Newspaper. Newspaper is both information and communication. It is the events of the day distilled into few words and pictures, processed by the mechanics of communication. It satisfies the human curiosity of a world that is always eager to know what is new. The first and foremost work of a modern man is to open the door and pick up the newspaper. A cup of coffee in one hand and the paper in the other hand is the usual scene one can see in the early morning. If a person does not get his paper in the morning, he will be upset. So, the newspaper has become so important and it is a part and parcel of our life, and it is the life breath of a nation. Apart from the news and views, the newspaper has been the source of knowledge, of entertainment and of fun. It provides separate section for literature, scientific topics and humor. The today's newspaper is quite different from the newspaper of bygone days. There will be several features like women's youth page, magazine page and sports page, etc. The edit page contains editorials and useful articles by experts. The present day newspaper helps the youth by advertising the job opportunities. It is really a good service to them. The history of newspaper is really fascinating one, but in this short essay it is really impossible to write it completely. The earlier newspaper may have been the ancient Roman Acta Diurna 59 BC. A Chinese goldsmith by name Pi Sheng was the first person who invented the method of printing. He carved the letters of the alphabet on small wooden pieces and spread the ink on the letters and pressed the paper on it. It was between 1041 and 1049 AD. Inventions of printing machine by Johann Gutenberg revolutionized the entire system of printing. This machine helped paper in a tremendous way. Due to this, world famous newspaper began to take birth. The Morning Post of England started in 1772 and is considered as the oldest paper. London Times 1785 is known as world famous paper. Britain is the only country in the world with so many papers. Pravda and Investia of Russia, People's Daily of Peking, Asahi Shimbun of Japan, Australian Sydney Morning Herald are very popular papers. In India, we have a number of newspapers both in regional languages and in English. The first English newspaper came out of the press in Kolkata, 1863. It was called Indian Mirror. The Amrut Bazar was started in 1866. The other popular papers are the Hindu, the Hindustan Times, Times of India, the New Indian Express and the Deccan Herald. The newspaper has to play a significant role in upholding the human dignity, their rights and responsibilities, their happiness and well-being, and at the same time, the newspaper has to bear the greatest responsibility of safeguarding the democratic principles. The motto of a newspaper should be establishment of Manava Dharma, and it must act as the torch bearer.